Hey everybody, Ben Stucker here from MortgageCS with your February 2022 market update. It's no surprise, you've probably seen it, the headlines are out. Rates are increasing. What's really shocking though is how quickly rates have increased. In December, we were looking at rates that started with 2s. Now we're starting to see rates that are beginning with 4s. Are there low rates available? Absolutely. How does this impact you? Well, if you're buying a home, that same home with the same price and the same amount of down payment is going to be more expensive to carry. If you're looking to refinance, it may not be worth it if you are only looking to reduce your monthly payment by lowering your interest rate. However, there are opportunities now, thanks to higher home values, for people that are looking to refinance to cash out the equity in their property to put themselves in a better financial situation. The most common example of this that we see is debt consolidation, right? Where credit cards or car loans or other items that carry typically higher monthly payments can be consolidated into a new loan. What's really surprising about these instances is that even if the interest rate is slightly higher than an interest rate that may have existed before, like a 3 up to a 3.5 or a 3 even up to a 4%, by consolidating the debts, which might be very inefficient, you actually can end up saving quite a bit of money on a monthly basis. Another thing that has recently happened is we've seen new pricing adjustments for second homes. So these would be vacation homes, right? If you're in the northeastern United States, typically shore homes. If you're in anywhere in the country, you might have a house down south. These markets have been hit a little bit with an extra adjustment. This is called a risk-based adjustment. And ultimately what happened is for any given loan that you would be getting on a second home or a vacation home, they're now perceived as more risky. Therefore, the cost of the transaction is going to go up, or the interest rate is going to go up if the cost stays the same. What impact this has on the second home market or the vacation home market has yet to be seen. However, it's anticipated that it will slow down the price increases and the turnover that we see. Again, we'll end up seeing what happens here in the future. Lastly, a quick update about MortgageCS. I'm happy to share that we will be expanding into South Carolina later this year, and we've also are going to be expanding into 3 more states that I'm not going to quite announce yet because it's going to be a little bit later in the year or even next year, but they're big states and they're not on the East Coast. So pretty exciting stuff for us as a company. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you checking up on these monthly mortgage updates, and look for us next month.